Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeLearnX. Today finally we are here with another video under this CodeLearnX Java Programming Fundamental series. Currently we are learning Java Basics, and this is going to be second video as part of Java Basics where we'll see Java installation. So under Java installation, we'll see how we can install Java 8, right? And how installation of Java is different from Java 9 onwards. And we will also see working with different versions of Java in one machine, right? And at the end of this video, we'll see how the compilation step is not required from Java 11 onwards. So before we start this video, let me see if Java is installed on my machine or not. For that, you have to just open CMD and just type in Java-version. Press enter. So it is saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means that Java is not installed on my machine. So let's go to any web browser, right? I'm going to Chrome and just type in Java 8 download. First, we'll see how we can install Java 8. So just open this Java SE8 archive downloads, right? Go down below, select your architecture, right? For which machine you are downloading Java 8, right? For in my case, it is Windows and 64-bit architecture. So I'll click on download, right? So it will prompt this window. You have to just check in and click on this download exe, right? So it will ask you to log into Oracle account. So if you have not signed in yet, you just go and create your account and log in. So I will click on login. I will sign in. Okay. So it will start downloading. For my case, I have already downloaded for purpose of this. So you can see in here, I have already downloaded Java 8, right? So another thing is we'll see how we can download Java from 9 onwards. So I will click on Java downloads. So no, I will go to this Oracle downloads, right? Oracle Java downloads. So going here, select which version you have to download. So I will for now, Java 23 is also present. You can download in there. So I'll click on Java 21. So, okay, after that you have to select for which platform you are downloading. I'll select Windows, and you can download any of the like installer also or zip file also. So I will click on this zip file and it will start downloading. So this also I have downloaded for purpose of this video. So I will pause this, right? You can see in here, right? Under downloads, I have already this Java 21, right? Not 28, sorry. Java 21 as a zip file, right? So I have, after you download Java 21, you have to just click in here and you have to extract it, extract all, right? You have to click on extract all. So this window will pop up. You have to click on extract. Right, so I have already extracted, as you can see in here, right? I have already extracted, so I will cancel this also. Let me close this. All right. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I have also downloaded different versions. So I will cancel this in here. I will remove this. I will remove this. Then only it will. Let me cancel. Okay, so for purpose of this video, showing different versions, right? How we can manage different versions, multiple versions of Java in single machine. So I have already downloaded Java 17 and Java 19. So let me see now that I have downloaded this. Is there any change that we see in Java-version, right? If we see. So still this is not recognized as this machine is not recognizing if Java is installed on this machine or not. For that, you have to go to this Java 8 setup, right? You have to click in there. So it will give you a prompt, right? You have to just click on yes. So this Java installation will take a bit of time. For that, whatever files if you download as a zip file, right? After extracting, what I will do is, so I will select all these three files, Java 21, Java 17 and Java 19. I will cut it from here. I will go to this PC, right? Under program files, you will see a folder Java. If Java is not there, you can create a new folder Java and you can paste those Java zip files after extracting. You can place in here, right? Just click on continue. So it will continue. So that Java 8 setup has given me a prompt. I will just click on next, right? So you have different options what you want to download as part of this. So this is development tools. So this is the feature description. You can read out there, right? Then this is source code. This is public GRE. Whatever you want to download, you can select in there and you can download that. So I will select this development tool. I'll click on next, right? So let that, it will take some time, so let that happen. So now it's time where we have to set our path, like we have to edit our environment variable so that our machine can recognize that Java is installed on our machine. For that, what I will do is I will go to this Java 21 Windows, right? So this is another folder. I will just cut it here, right? I will paste it here. Click on continue. I've done it a wrong way, right? So that's why I'm doing. So I will just delete this. So this is Java 21, JDK 21. After clicking in here, you can see these are the bin config, right? Include all these folders are there. So what you have to, we are concerned about this bin folder. We will copy this path, right? And we have to search in environment variables here. So I will search env and I will edit the system environment variable. So it will open a prompt, right, where you can select environment variables, right? This prompt, you have to just select environment variables, and under path you have to because there is no Java bin file added to our environment variables. So I will click on new. So I will paste it here, right? So this is C program file Java JDK 21, right? And /bin. So you have to just click on OK, and OK. So now if I go to our terminal and I will give that command Java version. So this is also saying Java is not recognized. So this can happen because you have to restart your machine so that it can recognize that Java that has been installed. So Java 8 has been also downloaded, right? So I will click on OK. So it will give me another prompt whether I want to change the location. So if you download any exe file, so it configures, it selects its path like that C program file Java. That's why I have pasted all the extracted GIF files for different versions like 17, 19, and 21 in there. So I don't want to change that part. I will click on next. So it will give me another prompt, right? So 3 billion devices run Java. So that is very nice to know that 3 billion people or 3 billion devices are running on Java, right? That writes code on Java. So it's great to know. So coming to here, right? Why that is not showing even though I have added that part. So one of the reason is that we have to restart our machine and check for that. For now, I will try one thing. I will choose another command prompt, right? And here I will try to give that Java -version command. Let me see if that is working. Yes. So now it has recognized. So what you can do, even you can restart your machine or you can go to new command prompt and there you can type in Java. So this is one way, like, so if I want to work on Java 21, I can set the path, right, in environment variable. So environment variable is one of the way where you can manage on which version you want to work on, right? So go to the environment variables and paste that bin folder there and it will recognize that. So it is one way. And other way is, right, if I want to use Java 17, right? So how we can use that, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to go in here, right? And we have to select this JDK 17 and this bin folder, right? Another way is I will copy this and I will change that environment variable path, env path, right? I will click this environment variable, right? It will give me a prompt, right? So I will click on environment variables, click on this path, right? You can delete this, right? Click on new and just paste in there. So click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. So now if I go in here and I just type in there like Java version, right? So it's still pointing to Java 20. Why? Because again, whenever you change that environment variables, it requires to restart your machine. But another way is also you can use another terminal, another command prompt, and here you can type in the Java version, Java-version. So now it is pointing to Java 17. So you can open new command prompt and you can, this is the way, right, where you can work on different Java versions. So I will tell you that there are, I will show you 4 different ways that you can use different Java versions on your machine. So this is one of the way that every time you go in there and update that environment variables. So another way is that you can set the path from this command prompt also. So as I've shown you on our machine, we have these 4 versions now. I think Java 8 is also downloaded. So I will say how Java 8 is different from other installation, like from Java 9 onwards. It is similar. You can download the zip file and you can update that bin path to the environment variable, and that's it. And Java is ready on your machine. But if you download JDK 8, right? So here we see, right, So JDK 8 has a different private GRE, right? So in case of Java 17 or Java 9 onwards, you will not see that GRE, and it has also a public GRE. So due to this installation, 1.8 is basically Java 8. So it has downloaded a public GRE and one private GRE. So this is the difference in till Java 8 and from Java 9 onwards. So this is how you have to install Java on your machine. So I was showing, I showed you one way that you can manage a different version by editing the environment variable. Another way is setting path to in this command prompt. So now this is showing Java 17. So what if I want to use Java 19 on my machine, right? So I will go in here, I will click that bin, I will copy that path, right? I will copy this path and I will go to the command prompt. I will type in set path equal to, and I will paste that, and I will just press enter. So now if I type Java -version, it will show Java 19. So because now I have set the path of Java 19, any file that you want to compile or run for Java, now in this terminal only you that is set. In our environment variable Java 20 or 17 we have set, right? So globally on this local machine, right, Java 17 as set as path. So if I open a new command prompt and there if I search for Java -version, right, it will show Java 17 because we have set it into the environment variable, right? So this installation has finished. So I will close this Java 8, right? So that is how, like, every command prompt will have, if I set the Java 21 path here, so in this command prompt I can compile the Java source code from like Java 19, and in this command prompt still we have that Java 19 active. So that is how you can work on multiple Java versions, right? So if you find that this is kind of difficult to setting the path, so another way is to create a Windows batch file, and you can go in that location and give that command to set JDK path, right? So that I will show later on this video. So for now, what I will do is I will create one Java file, right? And I will try to compile that. So what I will do is I will come to this. I have created one folder, Java Programming Fundamentals, and what I will do is I will open this in Visual Code. So more options and open with code. So under SRC, right, SRC basics, right, I will create one new file and I will give it name as CodeLearnX.java. Okay. So this has this will open in here, right? I will zoom this, right, for you to clearly see. So I will write a source code in public static void main. So this is the signature. No, first of all I have to create a public class CodeLearnX. Okay, so I'll create under this public class, I will create a main method, right? And here I will give system out, right? And I will give welcome code learners. So this is the simple file I have created in Java, right? So we will see how we can run this, right? So if I open the folder structure, right, I will open this. We have created under source com CodeLearnX Java basics. So here I will open CMD. Just go in here, I will type CMD. Okay, so this has opened a command prompt, right? So first of all, I'll check what Java version is getting used in this command prompt, right? Java -version. So this is using Java 17. So what I told you as part of this, right? So compilation step is not required from Java 11 onwards. So currently we are using Java 17. So earlier what we used to give here, right? First we have to compile as Java C and then that file name. So this is already Java 17, right? So we can just directly give this Java, right, and CodeLearnX.java. So it will give me the output. Oh, it is not. Yes. So this has given a welcome code learners. That is what we have asked for, right? So we are printing on the console that print welcome code learners. So that is printing in here. But if you see, there is no class file has been generated. So this is not the way that that it is that compilation is not happening. So that is happening. So what from Java 11 onwards, what has happened is so that it made very clear for the like developers like so like every time we do not have to go compile that at our Java separately. So that is what we can do, but I will show how that step is required in the Java 8 and the previous versions, right? So what I will do is I will set the path equal to what I will do. I will copy this bin folder of Java 8. Java 8, right? I will go this bin. I will copy the path and I will paste here. So what I'm doing, I'm setting path to this bin, right? To use Java. So now if I check Java version, Java-version, right? So it is giving Java 8, right? 1.8. So this is basically Java 8. So if I do that, try to run that CodeLearnX Java file that we have created earlier, right? It will give error. Could not find or load main class CodeLearnX.java. So this is the difference from Java 11 onwards. We do not require that additional step to run that Java file. So till Java 8, what we have to do, first we have to compile that file. So for that we have to give this Java C command, right? Java C and that CodeLearnX.java that we have created. So what it will do, it will compile that .java file to .class file. So if I tell you here, right, after compilation is happened, right? So CodeLearnX.class file has been created. So this is the bytecode that has been generated. So now if I give the command Java CodeLearnX, so .java is not necessary required. You can give CodeLearnX.java after compilation has been happened, and it is not necessary that you will give the .java. So I can ignore that as well. So it is giving the correct output now. Welcome CodeLearnX. So this is how like we have seen that from Java 11 onwards, this additional step is not required. It is not that it is not generating that .class file, but it is made simpler for the developers. It is temporarily generating .class file. So if you are using that like big project, then differently that step is mandatory. You have to compile that file and all. But when you are just trying to test that one single Java file, right? So that is where you can skip that step if you are using Java 11 onwards, right? So before, if you are using different versions, previous versions till Java 8, then this step is mandatory. If whether you are using a single file or you are working on a big project, then that step is mandatory. First you have to compile that file and then you can run that file. So that is how this is working. So now I have shown you the 3 steps to manage the different versions of Java on your machine. First is that you can edit the environment variables, right? Another is you can set the path, right? So third is like you can create Windows batch file. So what Windows batch file looks like, right? So I have created in here, right? So for setting Java 8, so you can set, it is simple, nothing but it is just copy of that. We have given this command here, right? Set path, right? Set path. So what this is nothing but I have created a batch file so that I can use wherever I want. So if I do not have to go back in that this folder, this path and copy all that, right? So what I will do, I will create a batch file for. So for now, I have created batch file for JDK 8 and JDK 17. So this is somewhat similar. So how we can switch between different versions of Java, right? So I will open a different command prompt, right? So what I will do is I will go to the location where that batch file is there. So it is under desktop, right? I will cd desktop, and under Java programming fundamentals we have another folder JDK versions, right? So I will go there, and what I have to do, because that is a batch file, right? So I have to give this JDK 8, right? .bat file. So currently, if I see what Java version this command prompt is using, right? So this is using Java 17. So if I want to use Java 8, right, what I will give is JDK 8. That's it. So Java version set to, right, 1.8. So now if I check by giving that command Java -version, see. So now if I want to switch to Java 17, what I have to do, just type in JDK 17. That's it. Now Java version has been set to 17. So why that prompt message is coming, right? Because I have given a echo, right? Echo Java version set to, and then I've given this Java version command, right? So that is how you can work on multiple versions. So this is the third way of using multiple versions on your local machine. So another thing is IDs has different feature, right? So if I go to Java projects in here, right, and if I click on this Java projects and 3 dots, we have configure Java runtime. So ID makes developers life easier. So you can go in here and it will automatically detect whatever Java different versions are already present in this machine. So you have to just choose that and you can use that Java. So that is why every developers try to use that IDEs, because it makes that their life easier. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this was somewhat informative to you and you have learned something new from this video. So if you are liking the content, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification, right? So you can get further updates, right? Whatever video I upload as part of this CodeLearnX Java Programming Fundamental series. So that's it for the video. Thank you. Till then, keep coding, keep learning. Meet you in the next video.